welcome to yet another Disneyland adventure. Here we are at the Channel Tunnel down at Folkestone, and as we can see today, it is quite a quiet day. But what we can also see is, would you believe, glorious sunshine for this lovely day at the end of October. So stick with us as we venture down into France, bring you with us and take you around our fantastic trip at Disneyland Paris. See you again in just 1 second. Hey Megan, where are we going?
Legoland!
Megan, no we're not. Where are we going?
Kensington!
Megan, no we're not. Where are we going?
Football!
Megan, what land are we in?
France?
And what's in France?
Disneyland?
So Megan, where are we going?
Disneyland!
Yee-hee!
Because I got it wrong, is this going to be in the outtakes?
Yeah, better add now.
Oh, great.
Right, time to go and wake Megan up. Time to go Disney. Oh, Megan! Where is she? Megan? Megan? I want to wake you up. Where are you? Ah! Is it... It's breakfast time!
Any volunteers? Wow, it's fantastic! Let's continue the party!
Well, hey there. Who are you?
Nightmare.
And we are coming into Disneyland.
Seriously, I'm actually one of my made-up superheroes, Skeletor.
And let's get the whole ensemble. Very cool.
Now I can look at myself too.
Not too vain at all. What are you being today?
Well, who's this? I've got a bit of Mickey on the top, a bit of Minnie on the head.
Well, I've gone really kind of Halloween-y with Marvel. I'm pretty super bike, so that doesn't really work. So we're relying on you, Megan. It's all down to you.
And the card quality.
Bye, Jack.
Oh, thank you.
What is this? Oh, hello, my friend, my little pumpkin. I'm the Pumpkin King. I hope to see you soon.
Where are we? We are Disneyland. Excited about that?
Yeah.
She's inspired. You can tell. There's the entrance where you go in. Not for us. Woohoo!
Hippo with a tutu.
Where's a hippo with a tutu?
Back there, see?
Oh, it's a bush. It's a bush that's a hippo with a tutu. We get to go in the special entrance. We get to go in the special entrance.
Don't show off.
Is that a bit showing off? We get to go in the special entrance. We get to go in the special entrance. Hey there, so we are now inside and checking out what we can see behind us. It is Disneyland Halloween! Woohoo! What do you think of that? Let's go inside. here we are by Disneyland Castle, but we are heading away and heading off into adventure in Adventureland. So we've now come over by Big Thunder Mountain, and it turns out that they have sorted this out just like the film Coco. So we get to go and visit our friends of the dead, I guess. Hey, Coco. Seize moment. Mama knows best, huh? Cool, well, welcome to Coco Town.
If ye be brave or fool enough to face the pirate's curse, proceed.
So it's time for us to head into Discoveryland. Time for us to go. We're going to go and take off for some amazing rides. We're looking to go in and do Hyperspace Mountain, have a bash in Orbital, see if we can go in and do Star Tours, and of course go and do the wonderful, the fantastic Mr. Buzz Lightyear. So we're going to have a bash in doing that today. We've come in a little bit early, we're in the extra magical hours, day's looking pretty nice, doesn't look like we're going to get any rain. Oh look, Buzz Lightyear family walking towards us. How wonderful is that?
Establish a recon post for their next mission. They are now preparing for Operation Parachute Drop, codename Papa Delta. Your mission? Have fun.
Hey Maggies. So this morning, did you happen to queue up and see a certain Mr. Buzz Lightyear by any chance?
Yes.
Did you? Did you get your photograph taken with him?
Salutations, je suis Buzz l'éclair, ranger de
It's French
l'espace.
Buzz. What he's
Si
doing?
vous me prenez en
We
photo,
need to
choisissez
change his
mon meilleur
language
profil.
setting. Come back to the right
Je n'ai
language,
que de
Buzz.
bons profils.
Coming down into Star Wars area. Wally and Evie are here, but we're also heading down into Star Tours. We're going to go and have a go on that TIE fighter up there and head on into Star Tours. Coming back to our favourite, because it's a small world after all. Megan, what are you just about to do?
I think I'm being embarrassing, but I'm going to scream in the scream monster.
Let's go and see if you're a bit of a screamer. Go on then. Go, go, go. Louder, Megan, do it again. That was really loud. Yeah, that one worked.
Keep the rhythm strong and steady. Away, away, clap your hands and stomp your feet. Away, away, it's time to get away, away. It's time to go
I missed that. I'll look out for your photos if you want to see them in the shop.
Nice, look at these.
Should I do
Big smile, Meg.
Say cheese.
You pant like a dog? Hi, Mickey. Can't do a dance, Meg.
good?
I like.
I have bad news, guys. It's the end of our Disney trip. We're back in the UK at the moment, and it's raining. It's raining.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching and see you again soon.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark. That's not the end yet. Do 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 do. Let's carry on. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last, do 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 do. Safe at last. Is this going to be in the video? Is this gonna be in the video?